chicken liver, okra, potato, rice ball, or chicken liver, okra, potato, pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the liver recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice ball recipes. Today we're going to make liver okra potato pilaf or liver okra potato rice ball. We're taking around 200 grams of chicken liver, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 to 3 barks of cinnamon, 2 pods of cardamom, 1 spoon of caraway seeds, 1 to 2 bunches of mint leaves, 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, and 100 grams of okra cleaned and cut into pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds, caraway seeds, cardamom, and the cinnamon into the pan. With the cloves, salt, caraway, caraway salt, until the smell comes out of the seeds. Put in the ginger and the garlic. Salt, ginger and the garlic with the rest of the mixture. Cut the saute mix. Put in the onion pieces. Chop the onion pieces with the cheese and the garlic. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute until the onions lose their pinkish color and become a golden yellow. Saute, mix that. Thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing. Put in the mint leaves, salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in this 2 spoons of chili flakes, salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in the okra pieces, salt the okra pieces, the rest of the mixture. Put in the potato pieces, put in the salt to taste, saute and mix potato pieces and the salt together. The okra pieces, thoroughly saute and mix. recipes. Add the tomato piece salad with the okra and the potato pieces. Now putting the liver pieces, chicken liver piece into the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook. Now pour in a spoon of yogurt into the mixture. Mix in the yogurt, the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Transfer the contents into the pressure cooker. Now pour in 2.5 cups of water. Mix and let the mixture boil. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the chicken liver, okra, potato pilaf is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chicken liver, okra, potato pilaf or chicken liver, okra, potato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the liver recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most tastiest of the pilaf recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.